Students, last class we discussed about the opera of the two lines. Today we shall study the angle between the two planes. Last we studied the angle between the two lines. Now we shall study the angle between the two planes. That is definition. Definition: angle between the two planes. Angle between the two planes is defined as angle between two planes is defined as angle between their normals. Angle between their normals means angle between two planes is nothing but angle between their normals. The planes is nothing but vector r dot of vector n1 equals t, where vector n1 and vector n2 are the normals of the two given planes. Now we shall find the angle between the two planes. Here first, vector equations of the two planes. Vector equation of the two planes are vector r dot of vector n1 equals d1 and vector r dot of vector n2 equals d2. Here vector n1 and vector n2 are the normals. So angle between two planes is nothing but angle between their normals. That is vector n1 and vector n2. Then angle between them is given by cos theta equals mod vector n1 dot vector n2 divided by magnitude of vector n1 into magnitude of vector n2. This is the angle between the two planes in vector form. In vector form, angle between two planes is cos theta equals mod vector n1 dot vector n2 divided by magnitude of vector n1 into magnitude of vector n2. So, now the note consider. Note: if two planes are perpendicular, then perpendicular is nothing but dot product is 0. Vector n1 dot vector n2 equals 0. Vector n1 dot vector n2 equals 0. And parallel, if two planes are parallel, then for parallel, vector n1 equals lambda into vector n2, where lambda is a scalar. So angle between the two planes in vector form, cos theta equals vector n1 dot vector n2 divided by magnitude of vector n1 into magnitude of vector n2. If two planes are perpendicular, then vector n1 dot vector n2 equals 0. If two planes are parallel, vector n1 equals lambda into vector n2, where lambda is a scalar, that is constant. Next one. Second one, Cartesian equation of the planes are. Cartesian equation of the planes are a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals d1 and second plane a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals d2. Then angle between between them is given by that is nothing but cos theta equals mod. Cos theta equals mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is the angle between the two planes in Cartesian form. Angle between two planes in Cartesian form, cos theta equals mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So you could consider the note. The two planes, these are perpendicular if repetition A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals 0. If two planes are perpendicular, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals 0. Then angle theta equals 90 degree. Theta equals 90 degree. The two planes are parallel. The two planes are parallel if A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. What is the condition for parallel? A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Then angle between them, that is theta, equals 0 degree. If two planes are perpendicular, then theta equals 90 degree. If two planes are parallel, then theta equals 0 degree. For perpendicular condition, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals 0. For parallel condition, A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. If two planes are vector r dot of 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap equals 5 and vector r dot of 3i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap equals 3. Now we shall find the angle between these two planes which are in vector form. Vector form antagara vector form ana consider madana. Vector form eno cos theta equals the angle between two planes. Angle between two planes. Angle between two planes is in formula cos theta equals mod vector n1 dot vector n2 divided by magnitude of vector n1 into magnitude of vector n2. So now we shall consider vector n1 and vector n2 of the given plane. Let vector n1 is the normal of the first plane. Vector n2 is the normal of the second plane. Let vector n1 equals 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So in the magnitude consider madana. Then magnitude of vector n1 equals square root of 2 square is 4 plus again 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9, that is root of 4 plus 4, 8 plus 9, root 17. Next, and vector n2. Vector n2 equals normal of the second plane, that is 3i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap, then its magnitude. Vector n2, that is magnitude of vector n2 equals root of 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25. That is 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 25 equals root 43. Now cos theta equals mod, call it as equation 1. Now 1 becomes cos theta equals mod vector n1 dot vector n2, that is dot product is nothing but corresponding components na multiply ಮಾಡಿ and take the sum. Corresponding components 2 into 3, 2 into 3, next plus 2 into minus 3, next minus 3 into 5 divided by magnitude of vector n1. Magnitude of vector n1 is root 17 and magnitude of vector n2 is root 43. That is cos theta equals mod 2 3s are 6 minus 15 divided by this 2 roots iradinda multiply togolana 17 into 43, that is root 731. 6 cancel agutte. Cos theta equals mod minus 15 by root 731. mod na remove ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is cos theta equals 15 by root 731. ನಮಗೆ cos theta ಬೇಡ, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು angle that is theta ಬೇಕು. Therefore theta equals cos inverse of 15 by root 731 is the angle between the two given planes. Next problem ge hogana. Next problem, find the angle between the two planes. 2x plus y minus 2z equals 5 and 3x minus 6y minus 2z equals 7. Here given planes are in Cartesian form. So Cartesian form alli ನಾವು angle ಅನ್ನು consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. Angle between two planes in Cartesian form. Angle between two planes. Angle between two planes is cos theta equals mod. Cos theta equals mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Here a1, b1, c1 are the direction ratios of the first plane. a2, b2, c2 are the direction ratios of the second plane. So values nu consider madana. Let a1 first plane coefficient of x, that is 2. b1 coefficient of y is 1. c1 coefficient of z, that is minus 2. Then a2 second plane coefficient of x 3, b2 minus 6, c2 minus 2. Now angle between them, so this call it as equation 1. Substitute kodana equation 1 here. Now equation 1 becomes cos theta equals mod a1 a2, a1 is 2, a2 is 3, 2 into 3, b1 b2, b1 1 into b2 is minus 6 plus c1 c2, c2 minus 2, that is minus 2 into minus 2 divided by root of a1 square. a1 is 2, 2 square is 4 plus b1 square, that is 1 square is 1 plus c1 square minus 2 whole square is 4 into root of a2 square. a2 is 3, 3 square is 9 plus B2 square, B2 is 6, that is 36, plus C2 minus 2 whole square is 4, that is cos theta equals mod 2 3s are 6, plus into minus, minus 6, minus into minus, plus 4, divided by root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is 9, root 9 into root of 4 plus 36, 4 plus 36 is 45 plus 4, that is 49, plus 6 minus 6 cancel, cos theta equals mod 4 divided by root 9 is 3, root 49 is nothing but 7, remove the mod, cos theta equals 4 by 3 into 7, 21, so term cancel agala. But now we theta, that is theta equals cos inverse of 4 by root 21 is the angle between the two given planes. Let us go to next problem. Next problem. In the following cases, determine whether the given planes are parallel or perpendicular. And in case they neither parallel or perpendicular, then find the angle between them. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ two planes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ two planes ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then find the angle between them. Parallel and perpendicular. For perpendicular condition ಬಂದ್ರೆ a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0 ಆದರೆ it is parallel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry, perpendicular. For parallel a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 for parallel. So ಈಗ first problem ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 2x plus y plus 3z minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿ a1 b1 c1 ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. a1 b1 c1 is the direction ratios of the first plane. a1 2, b1 1, c1 3. Next a2 b2 c2 second plane, a2 1, b2 minus 2, c2 0. first parallel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. a1 by a2 1 by 1, that is 2 by 1 is 2, 1 by minus 2 1 by 2 equal ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. then perpendicular ಇರಲ್ಲ. perpendicular ಆದಾಗ corresponding multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2 cancel ಆಯಿತು 2, 3 into 0 0, that is 0 means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ perpendicular ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. now perpendicular ಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. that is equals a1 2 into a2 1 plus b1 1 into b2 minus 2 plus c1 3 into c2 0 equals 2 into 1 is 2 plus into minus minus 2 plus 0, 3 into 0 is nothing but 0, 2 to cancel equals 0. so 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, therefore a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, then the given ಇಲ್ಲ hence the given planes are perpendicular. given planes are ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ perpendicular. next now second problem. check whether the second problem is parallel or perpendicular. If they are neither parallel or perpendicular, then find the angle between them. To check whether it is parallel or perpendicular, first we shall consider the direction ratios. Direction ratios a1, b1, c1. First plane, that is 2 minus 2 4. A2 B2 C2. Second plane 3 minus 3 6. For parallel 2 by 3 equals minus 2 by minus 3 minus minus cancel 2 by 3 equals 2 by 3 equals 4 by 6. 4 by 6 simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So these three are equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ then it is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ parallel. Now for parallel condition A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. That is A1 2 by 3 equals minus 2 by minus 3 equals 4 by 6. That is 2 by 3 equals minus minus cancel 2 by 3 equals 2 2s are 2 3s are, that is 2 by 3. 3 are equal and hence proportional agide the given lines are parallel. Hence the given planes are parallel. Given planes are parallel. Ili given planes are parallel. So parallel condition A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Now let us go to next problem. Next question. Next question. 4x plus 8y plus z minus 8 equals 0. Y plus z minus 4 equals 0. Check whether the given planes are parallel or perpendicular. Otherwise, then find the angle between them. To check it is parallel or perpendicular, first we shall consider the direction ratios. That is A1, B1, C1 of the first plane. First plane is direction ratios 4, 8, 1. Then second plane A2, B2, C2 equals x term in under that is 0. Coefficient of y is 1, z is 1. For parallel, proportional consider 4 by 0 that is infinity agutte. Adena check mado avashyakate illa. It is not a parallel. Then perpendicular bartini. 4 into 0 4 plus 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 into 1 is 1. 8 plus 1 9 is not equals to 0. So given place is neither parallel nor perpendicular. So parallel or perpendicular or then find the angle between them. Angle between them is nothing but a no. Now angle between them is again it is neither parallel nor perpendicular. So here given planes is neither, given planes are neither parallel or perpendicular. Neither parallel or perpendicular. Parallel or perpendicular or then find the angle between them. Angle between them is in formula cos theta equals mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So values gottide substitute madana. That is cos theta equals mod A1 is 4 A2 0 plus B1 8 B2 1 plus C1 1 C2 is 1 divided by root of A1 square that is 4 square is 16 plus B1 square 8 square is 64 plus C1 square is 1 into root of A2 square is 0 plus B2 square is 1 plus C2 square is 1. That is cos theta equals mod 4 into 0 0 plus 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by root of 16 plus 64 plus 1 is root 81 into square root of 1 plus 1 is root 2. That is cos theta equals mod 8 plus 1 9 divided by root 81 is 9 into root 2. So 9 cancel mod modana cos theta equals 1 by root 2. Cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ angle ಗೆ 1 by root 2, that is cos theta equals cos of pi by 4, that is 45 degree. Therefore theta equals pi by 4 radian. So angle between the two given planes are 45 degree. So today class we studied about angle between the two planes. Thank you.